Introducing the 2023 Ford Focus Saintline X 1.0T 125 M6 4-door in striking white. This hatchback boasts a 1-litre engine, manual transmission, and a host of top-of-the-line features. Stay comfortable with air conditioning, cruise control, and heated screens. Stay connected with Bluetooth, satellite navigation, and wireless charging. Stay safe with ABS, multiple airbags, and anti-collision systems. And stay stylish with privacy glass, roof rails, and spoiler. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit our website at spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive your dream car now. Drive